Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today's video is all about this Peugeot 2008 where we're upgrading the vehicle with a reversing camera system. This is really cool because what we've actually done is used our Retrofit wedge camera, which sits right at the back of the vehicle here, really nice and discreet. Camera looks absolutely incredible. It's slightly off center because you've got the handle right in the middle. However, it's an incredibly high quality product and camera. You see a lot of the ones that you see fitted elsewhere that just look absolutely horrific and also don't last very long. These are phenomenal, and that's our Retrofit wedge camera. What this involves is a full cable run from there all the way with everything completely hidden. So the only thing you see on the system is just there on the camera. There's not one cable visible at all throughout the entire run into a module. So this is the integration box which actually goes into the original screen. So the display is not stuck over a mirror, it's not stuck anywhere. You literally select reverse and on the screen you get the camera image, but not only that, you get active guidelines as well. So this system on the Peugeot 2008, you've actually got a 10-inch screen or a 10.1-inch screen, but basically it goes full width on there, and we'll show you a little footage of that on the screen. But it looks absolutely incredible and so simple to use. You literally select reverse, flicks over, shows the image on the factory screen, you come out of reverse and away you go back to the stock system. So if you're interested in having this same system installed on your particular vehicle, if you own one of these, all I basically need to do, if you are based further afield, basically you just send me over a picture of the screen, the media screen turned on, so I can see exactly what software we're running, and then I'll price everything up for you. So just email that over to us. All the info is in description below, and also just head over to our website and submit an inquiry on there, and we can do that all for you remotely if you want to. But if you are local, feel free to come by and see us here in Cambridge. All of our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge, guys. But overall, a fantastic solution to upgrade and make parking a lot easier on the Peugeot 2008. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.